Then we have worked with MTV, Phantom, Yashraj Balaji Films, uh, part of like all these iconic production houses. So, what is your experience and what has changed within you while you're working with these people or these production houses?
Shraddha, I think अब मुझे Bombay 21 years हो गए, and the first job that I did here was with MTV. Now, MTV, as you can imagine,
Right.
2004 to 9,
Yeah.
the place where every young person wanted to be, right? It was giving you music, it was giving you international music, VJs, travel, like a young India wanted to just watch MTV, honestly. And when you're working in an organization like that, I think you're floating on top of the
Right.
world.
I think this is one
Uh,
of the most glamorous thing to be on.
you're trending, like setting trends.
Right.
आप जो बोलते हो youth follow करता है,
Right.
आप
Right.
जो दिखाते हो they are watching, and it was a great sense of empowerment and responsibility and fun. I think that place made me realize what teamwork is,
Right.
and if you have a non-toxic supportive environment, you can really create the best kind of content. And
Right.
that's what happened there, and we're all friends 25 years later also. 20, 25 years later, we're all like college mates, that kind of feeling, वो क्यों आती है?
हाँ.
एक office जब आप छोड़ दो, then you don't really care about the colleagues.
Right.
But those colleagues were like family, and that comes from the culture of people. So I would say that changed me the minute I came from Delhi.
Hmm.
And then began the journey of films,
Right.
which was like a huge shock. I was like, oh my
So it
God.
was never a plan from you.
No, I mean, to be honest with you, I came to Bombay to be in the movies.
हाँ.
But then when I came here, I realized ये तो world समझ नहीं आएगा. Abhi let me stabilize myself
Hmm.
financially. And so from NDTV, I took up another TV job, which was MTV. So once the monies got kind of sorted, वो भी एक interesting story I must tell you. 2009, after 5 years of working there, Shraddha, the world was hit by the first recession.
Hmm.
वो समझ नहीं था रिसेशन क्या होता है. एंड 40 ऑफ अस को बुलाया, एंड बोला ये रो आपके सेवरेंस चेक, 6 महीने का पे, आज से आप नहीं आओगे, आपका ईमेल बंद, अपना सामान उठाओ और चले जाओ. आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, ये तो कभी कोई रेफरेंस ही नहीं है ये इस इमोशन का, और ये क्या होता है, राइट? एंड आई थिंक दैट डे वाज लाइक द वर्ल्ड कोलैप्स्ड फॉर मी कि अब
Right.
क्या होगा, राइट?
Right.
बट दैट हेल्प्ड मी नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि पैसे हैं, अब तो मूवी में जा सकते हैं. द लोएस्ट लेवल ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई हैडंट वर्कड इन फिल्म्स, एंड फिल्म्स नॉर्मली वर्क विद a certain level you have to rise.
Right.
And then kind of started the film journey, which was a rude shock because I said, "Ye to non, this is based on relationships. This is based on jugaad.
Hmm.
This is based on उस दिन आप कैसे perform कर रहे हो." It's a very unstructured
Right.
teamwork kind of a
Right.
the way films are made.
Right.
So huge journey from freelance producing to then Phantom, then Yashraj, and then eventually I went independent.